Welcome to the 3-Minute Travel Channel. Our channel aims to deliver the charm of travel in a short amount of time. Let's embark on fun and exciting journeys together. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the delightful world of desserts in Hakone. Get ready to indulge your taste buds and embark on a sweet adventure like no other. Today, I'll be your enthusiastic dessert tour guide, taking you on a whirlwind journey to the top 3 dessert cafes in this charming town. So fasten your seatbelts, and let's dive into the sugary paradise. First stop on our dessert expedition is the whimsical Sugarland Dream Factory. Picture yourself stepping into a dreamland adorned with candy-colored walls, fluffy clouds, and magical creatures. This enchanting cafe serves up a delectable array of desserts that will transport you to a sugar-coated wonderland. From fluffy pancakes to exquisite parfaits, every bite is like a burst of joy in your mouth. Get ready to be transported to dessert heaven. Next up, we have the Choco Lovers Haven, where chocolate reigns supreme. Brace yourselves for an overwhelming chocolate experience that will make your heart skip a beat. This cafe is a haven for all chocoholics out there. Indulge in decadent chocolate lava cakes, rich, hot chocolate drinks, and luscious chocolate truffles that will make you weak at the knees. It's a cocoa lover's dream come true, and you won't want to miss out on this chocolate paradise. Last but certainly not least, we arrive at the Zen Garden Sweet Retreat. Prepare to be amazed by the serene beauty of this dessert oasis. Nestled amidst a tranquil garden, this cafe offers a unique blend of traditional Japanese flavors with a modern twist. Savor delicate matcha-infused treats like matcha tiramisu, matcha-flavored ice cream, and matcha macarons that will transport you to a state of pure bliss. It's the perfect place to unwind, relax, and enjoy the harmonious flavors of Japan. So, dear dessert adventurers, that concludes our whirlwind tour of the top 3 dessert cafes in Hakone. From the dreamy wonderland of Sugarland Dream Factory to the chocolate paradise of Choco Lovers Haven, and the zen-like serenity of Zen Garden Sweet Retreat, Hakone has something for every sweet tooth. Get ready to treat yourself to a dessert extravaganza that will leave you with a sugar high and unforgettable memories. Bon appétit!